Hello guys, so if you want bigger on-screen items on your Samsung device, you have to go to the settings menu and after that to display menu, and if you scroll down here you can see easy mode. This is for a simple home screen layout with bigger on-screen items, a longer touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions, and a high contrast keyboard for a better readability. Any customization you have made to the home screen will be discarded. And here you can see easy mode, so you have to choose that. And you can see now that the screen layout is with bigger on-screen items, and here you can choose also the touch and hold delay. Here you have different options like short, medium, long, and here you can customize it. So this is for this video. I hope that you found this video helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and hope you see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.